Today guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys is a nice weather today. So I guess the snow is melting right now. So it's plus 7 today. So this is about time to you know preparing our or my mobile detailing. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys my champion generator. So I'm gonna test it today. So I'm gonna drop my kids in the school, and then I'm gonna go to the gas station to get the gas for a gonna give some quick review for a champion 2500 watts champion. So that's one of power supply. I'm gonna use it for my mobile detailing. So today I'm gonna show you first my setup inside, but it's not done yet. I didn't put everything. I just just fixing it. So like here guys, there you go guys. So this is my initial setup. It's not even done yet. So, and my water tank is right there, and I've never tested yet. So but this is gonna be ready for this summer. So as you can see, this is all the stuff for chemical spray bottle in here, and then and right here gonna show you guys, this is my my pressure washer hose and pressure washer with compressor air hose. So I gotta put it back there, right there. So it's not fixed it yet. So this is a quick connect from Canon. So this is for electrical cord, and those are my water tank. So yeah, that's everything, my setup, and ready for my mobile detailing this coming summer. So let's go. So right now I need to buy a gas, and I'm gonna be tested my 2500 champion generator. So stay tuned guys when I come back to get a gas. So then we're gonna test it today, so how that's work. So yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, peace out, bye. So what up YouTube guys? So today is another episode again, the final test for my my inverter generator, which is a champion 2500. Yes, 2500 starting watts and 1850 running watts continue. So this is gonna be my power supply on my mobile detailing. So today is we're gonna try it is gonna be work. So because I bought this 2 weeks ago, and then I've seen a lot of preview with this generator. It's a good generator. So first of all, I want to see the the noisy of this one. So they said here is 53 what do you call dB. I don't know what is the dB. That's I don't remember that, but yeah, it's minus it's about time to test this one, because it's gonna be it's -5 today. So it's not super cold compared 2 weeks ago, like -40. So, and yeah, let's get try this and take a look around. So we'll see what inside in here. So first of all, I'm gonna read all this spec on here, what thing before you test this. Make sure they said here, do not try this or test this generator in a enclosed area, which is I'm in here in the garage, on my garage, but I opened the door right there. So which is unsuffocated on this things of this, but yeah. So let's get try. And right here side, guys, I'm gonna show you here this area here. Easy start dial. It's running by 11.5 11 and a half hour runtime and 53 decibel. So that is a noise of the this generator. And then ultra quiet, low noise, high performance, and lightweight. What do you call that? Lightweight, whatever. Oh, 39 pounds only. So, and then with adapter, USB adapter, and power ready. So for the oil is included of 5W30, but some of the generator there's a 5W20. So yeah, and this all the power, we can power this generator at the same time. You got Wi-Fi, computer, microwave, fan, computer, refrigerator, and lights. So individually, like right here. So yeah, it's a very lightweight. So let's try it, guys. So let's go. I'm gonna open this. Oh man, this is not good. All right. So, kind of cold today. That's fine. On the inside, so there is oil and oil panel. This one, guys. So right here we got a 5W20 for additional oil for this generator. Use this one, and I don't know this one. Oh, this one is for the adapter. Yeah, so let's separate this one. It's freaking hard. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna put this down here. There we go. Oh my god, this is a generator, guys. So guys, this kind of generator, I don't want to explain to you everything, so because this is my first time generator I ever had. So yeah, everything is okay, everything looks good. And this is 120 volts right here. There's a two plug in here. Oh no, it's hard to, I don't know what is this. So whatever, can't remove this, so just fill this one here. Okay, that's fine. You have to remove this, you don't need this. So as you can see, there's a 12 volt lighter on this one, and there's gas and remote starter here. So you're gonna read you have to read this. Yeah, hold on. Okay, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get something on the garage. Okay, let's get back, guys. So after remove this manual, make sure you read the manual. It's very important to read the manual first. So, but everything is here now, so you understand right here. So I see. So I'm gonna show you guys right here. Okay, as you can see right there, so this is a oil and this is a gas. this is a cap off and on, and then this is a neutral, and this is gonna be a pull like this to start, and then put on the gas, and then plug in to turn it off. But everything is in there. So how you run these things. So first is gonna put the additional oil first, so see what we can do. So that's it. And but I don't want to read this because everything is here now, so I guess we don't need to read that one. But I just want to be in a hurry to start this, to bring in this big generator, because so I go straight to the oil, replacement oil. I don't know where's the. So as you can see, this is a spark plug area. As you can see, the spark plug, but that's kind of heat. This is kind of very hard for me, to be honest with you. There you go. So we're gonna find where is the spark plug coming from. So this is exhaust. Go. I believe the spark the oil is coming from here. All right. Yeah. All right. Okay. I don't know, guys, where's the sparkler coming from? Like, okay, let's check it out, guys. So we're gonna open this one first. I believe right here. Okay, it's better to check the manual. All right. They said add oil on this. In the manual, so many information right here, so you have to read this. This is very important, how to start this, quick start. So as you can see, oh, there you go, guys. So this is what I want. So turn the back, oil. I believe the oil is coming from here. So we're gonna try to open this and fill up the oil before we put the gas on. Oil is the first one. Oh, there you go. There you go, guys. And the filter here. So to I guess protect the noise, some less the noise. So this is really good. So right here, guys. So this one, guys. As you can see. So this is oil refill. So we have to add it, the oil. So we need this to use this. So as you can see, there is what do you call that? We're gonna refill the oil, guys. All right. Take it off this one, but put it back. So see, guys, put the oil, this one. But You need extra rag. Make sure it's not, you know, make a mess. Gonna add a little bit oil. Okay, right. I don't know. Let's check it out. What? Still continue. Eh? So I wanted to test first because I don't know if I need to fill this. So there's a line in here, so maybe right there. So let's check it out, guys. So I still need a little bit more, so well, it's finished now. Like I don't know. Is it good enough? I don't know. Oh, let's check this out again. Whew. Right. Yeah, it should be okay now. So let's close this. Don't over tight, or else you're gonna be, you know, lose your thread. And yeah, let's go to put this inside there. No, right here. So guys, right there, and then as you can see inside, right, guys. So it's amazing, guys. So take a look in a closer. Right, guys. Look at this small engine, right, for generator. So as you can, I'm gonna show you guys. This is when you drain the gas. So this pipe here is how you drain the gas. I guess to turn it on, open this plug over here. I guess this one screw you have to open, but you know, but all in all, guys, it's amazing. So we fill the oil and then refill after this, you know. Yeah, and then remove this existing oil once it's done, and then refill again. So we're gonna buy a new oil 5W30 for this generator. So let's get fill the gas now. Okay, let's go. Let's just put it back this. Very easy. Screw in. I like this screw. It won't come out it is gonna there's was a different design of this screw, so which is really good. So you don't need to put on the side in anywhere, you know, you're not gonna lose your screw. So this one is, see the screw right here, right? See, there is something blocking on this screw, so won't come out. So this, the design is really good though. Amazing, amazing, amazing screw. Okay, no over tight, don't break the screw or just threaded. There you go. So now about time to put the gas on. All of this, clean up here. With the gas, it's gonna be my generator. Right. Go. Let's go. Let's get started, guys. So I'm gonna put the gas. Add a little bit more gas right here. This is my gas. I'm not putting much for the gas because I'm just gonna run this like 2 to 3 hours, something like that. So I'm not gonna put more of the gas in here just a little. And it's about time to test now. So here, guys. So I'll go here, so I just let's get back right here, guys. So they said to put oil and see your gas. Just like that. And then okay. This is top on. And then I guess I'm gonna try this. Neutral, and then pull out this. Alright, it's super quiet, guys, super quiet. As you can see, use the eco mode or this thing. Very quiet generator, guys. It's amazing. So it's I didn't expect this. Like so amazing. I know it's kind of loud for me, so even close to me, it's so really quiet, guys. So I'm gonna put it there, right there, and we'll see what this generator can do. Right there, guys. So right here, guys, is super quiet generator. So let's get started to remove the echo mode. That's the echo mode. So we're gonna try to remove the echo mode. Guys, even the echo mode, remove the echo mode, is not even loud. It's really good for my, detailing business. As you can see, guys. Very quiet. I'm gonna let it run a couple of hours, like 2 to 3 hours. And then let it drain the gas. It will stop, and then refill the oil, and then run tomorrow again. That's gonna be a break-in for my champion generator 2500. It's just gonna be. I'm really happy because it's so quiet. So stay tuned, guys. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This one is really amazing. So let's go.
Bye.